Do you want to create your own website? Need some time off on a sunny island? You can now combine both dreams with our 1-week WordPress course in beautiful Tenerife. In this training, you'll learn step-by-step how to create your own professional website from scratch. You'll learn how to install WordPress on a server, do the initial WordPress setup, find and configure the layout, install and understand useful plugins, create amazing pages and posts. Our training is practical and goal-oriented, with case studies, live demonstrations, and workshops. We're all experienced digital marketers teaching our biggest passion, creating great websites. So let's do it! Build your new WordPress website with us, while enjoying the best climate in the world in beautiful Tenerife. Along with your website, you'll receive a certificate as proof of your new skills. Reserve your spot now with SEO in the Sun.